censorship, media and right to dissent. These are the three important words which must be discussed in Lok Sabha election 2024, as many leaders, especially the opposition leaders, are making allegations that their freedom of speech and expressions are curtailed and curbed by authoritarian government. Is it so? Hello everyone, welcome to the In Focus series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about state media and the rules related to elections. And this session is important for your GES 2 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss allocation of time on state media, and also we are going to discuss the guidelines related to the speech content. It means that what kind of speech you can deliver in front of Doordarshan, and then we are going to discuss practice question prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So two opposition leaders, the one is Sitaram Yechuri and the second is G. Devarajan, had made allegations on Doordarshan and also the state government and the Indian government regarding their speeches, because they had delivered their speeches on Doordarshan and All India Radio, and according to them, their speeches were curtailed and there were certain sections from their speeches which has been removed by the Doordarshan, and that's why they had said that there is freedom of speech and expression has been curbed and there is no place for right to dissent in this country. So this is the news we are going to cover up in today's session, because it's very important to know that what are the rules related to the state media and who can speak on the Doordarshan and what are the timings allotted for them during election time. So moving towards that, what kind of the curtailment they have done to their speeches. So Yechuri had to delete few terms, references like electoral bond scheme, and also drop the term like communal, authoritarian regime, draconian laws, and replace bankruptcy with the governance failure. On the other hand, Devarajan has to remove the word Muslims while he was making speeches on the Citizenship Amendment Act. So these are the few changes which has been done by the Prasar Bharati official, and these political leaders had objected because they had said that this is a total attack on their right to dissent. Moving towards the rules part, that what are the rules we have. So we have few allocation of time on state media. So who decide that on what particular time who has to speak? So it has been decided by the Election Commission of India, and on 28th of March, Election Commission of India has decided that which political party, national party or state party will get what amount of the time. So these all rules are decided by the Election Commission of India, and these political leaders had also wrote later to the Prasar Bharati that why some changes has been made to their speeches. But Prasar Bharati in reply to said that whatever the changes they have done according to the guidelines of the ECI, they are not doing any extraordinary work to their speeches. So first of all, we should know that what are the rules related to we have when it comes to the state media. It means that Prasar Bharati is the official state media of this country. Then recognized political parties have been allowed to freely use state-owned television and radio since 1998 Lok Sabha elections. So here you must know that since when it has been started, and also national parties all put together get minimum 10 hours of the telecasting time on Doordarshan national channel and at least 15 hours on regional channels. So we have one Doordarshan national, and also we have few regional challenges like Doordarshan Bihar, Jharkhand, regional languages were spoken. So these kind of things. And also they also get 10 hours of broadcasting time on the national hookup of air and 15 hours of broadcasting on regional air stations. State parties all put together get a minimum of 30 hours of telecasting time on the appropriate regional Doordarshan channels. So these are the rules for the national parties. So they get at least 15 hours, and state parties all together get 30 hours. So here the 15 hours for the one national parties, and here 30 all the state parties. So here we'll come to that how many national parties we have. So we have 6 national parties, and on 28th March Election Commission has given their slots. So we have AAP, BSP, BJP, CPIM, Congress and also National People's Party, and we have 59 state parties of 2024 elections. So here this is also very much important for examination, that how many state parties we have and how many national parties we have. So we have 6 national parties and 59 state parties. And for national parties, out of 10 hours, 4.5 hours, it means 45 minutes each was allotted for the Doordarshan and All India Radio, and remaining 5.5 was further allocated on the basis of vote share by each political party. So these are the rules which has been highlighted by the Election Commission of India. Coming to the next one, that what changes they had to make to the speeches, because those changes for the timings, that how much timings each national party or state party will get. Here we are talking about the content of the speeches, because the main controversy and main right to dissent debate has been started on the content part only. So here, according to the ECI, parties and their speakers are expected to submit transcript before 3-4 days while they have to deliver their speeches. So after concerned with the authorities, they are able to make these speeches, and these editing would be done by the concerned authorities with the guidelines of the Election Commission of India. And ECI guidelines also forbid that you don't have to attack on caste and communal angle. You don't have to harm the dignity of the country, sovereignty, integrity of the nation. You don't have to attack any other countries while making any speeches. And also you have to take care of the unity of this country. You don't have to incite violence through your speeches. So these are the guidelines which has been highlighted by the ECI. Your speech should not be defamatory in nature. That should not include any violent kind of activities. So these guidelines which has been given to the political parties and political leaders who will deliver their speech to the Darshan and also any kind of the national channel. So these are the guidelines on speeches content. Coming to the next one. Next one is about the practice question for prelims, and the question is related to Prasar Bharati. So the first statement is it is the public service broadcaster of the country, and the second one is it is a statutory autonomous body. Here they are asking the not correct ones, and your options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So you have to answer this in the comment section. And in social media and also in mainstream media, there were so many debates over the media and election, and so many people are also making allegations that these all medias are sold out and they are speaking the language of current ruling political party. On the other hand, few YouTube channels and also online media have made the allegations that few these channels are only speaking about the opposition leaders and the main opposition leaders, not about the Bahujan leaders, not about the marginalized leaders. So these kind of debates are often happening related to the media, but here our main concern is about what the state media is doing in this regard. What is the role of state media? It means the Prasar Bharati, Doordarshan and All India Radio. So here you must not forget that what is the role of state media into this, because these are the free sponsored. You don't have to pay to watch these channels. So that's it for today's session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.